Most gardeners quit in August, but smart ones know this is the secret month for fall success. Plant these now in Zone 7, and you'll be picking fresh veggies while others are closing up their gardens. Hey there, and welcome back to Gardening Story, the channel where Zone 7 gardeners get real, seasonal advice to grow smarter, not harder. If this is your first time here, we're all about helping you get the most out of your garden no matter the month. Today's video is packed with practical tips on what to plant right now in August, so you can still enjoy a fresh, homegrown harvest this fall. A lot of folks think summer's the end of the road, but that's not true in Zone 7. We're going to walk through the best veggies and greens you can start today, why they thrive in late summer, and how to avoid common mistakes.
Let's get into it.
Planting in August might sound risky, but in Zone 7, it's actually one of the smartest gardening moves you can make. Here's why. The soil is still warm, which means faster germination and stronger early growth for many cool season crops. And while the days are still long, the heat is starting to ease up, giving your plants a head start before fall truly kicks in. Another huge advantage: fewer pests. By late summer, a lot of the insects that devastated spring crops have died down. That means your leafy greens and root veggies have a better shot at thriving without constant battles. Plus, let's not forget the timing. Many of the crops you plant now will mature just in time for fall meals. Imagine pulling fresh spinach, sweet carrots, or crisp lettuce from your garden as the leaves start to turn. So if you've been thinking the season's over, think again. August is your golden window to squeeze in one more round of fresh, homegrown success. Recommended plants to grow in August, Zone 7.
1. Spinach.
Spinach might sound like a spring crop, but it's actually perfect for August in Zone 7. It loves cooler nights in still warm soil, which means quick germination and strong growth before the first frost. Look for fast maturing varieties like Bloomsdale or Space. Sow seeds directly into well-drained soil, keep them moist, and you'll be harvesting baby leaves in as little as 30 days. As fall temperatures drop, spinach gets even sweeter. It's a great source of iron and can be harvested multiple times using the cut and come again method. Perfect for salads, smoothies, or a sauteed side dish. 2. Lettuce. Lettuce is a late summer superstar that grows best when the heat starts to fade. In Zone 7, August is a great time to plant loose-leaf varieties like red sales or black-seeded Simpson. These types mature quickly, often in just 35-45 days, and don't need deep soil. Sow seeds shallowly and water regularly to keep the soil cool. Lettuce loves partial shade in hot weather, so plant it near taller crops or use a shade cloth.
Harvest outer leaves as needed, and it'll keep producing.
Fresh, crisp lettuce from your own garden in October.
Yes, please.
3. Carrots.
Carrots planted in August will reward you with sweet, tender roots come fall.
They prefer warm soil to get started and cool weather to finish growing. Perfect timing for Zone 7. Choose shorter varieties like Danvers or Little Finger, which mature faster, 60-75 days. Sow seeds directly into loose, rock-free soil about 1/4 inch deep. Keep the soil consistently moist until germination, which can take up to 2 weeks. As temps cool, carrots become naturally sweeter. You can leave them in the ground well into late fall. Just cover them with mulch if frost comes early. 4. Radishes. If you want fast results, radishes are your best friend. These little root veggies grow incredibly fast. Some varieties like Cherry Belle mature in just 25 days. That means you can plant radishes multiple times in succession from now through early fall. Sow seeds directly in rows, thin them out after a few days, and keep them evenly watered. They love the cooling late summer days, and the flavor gets sharper and crisper. Radishes are great in salads or pickled, and they're a fun crop for kids or beginners since they grow so quickly. 5. Kale. Kale is one of the most cold-tolerant leafy greens, and it actually improves in flavor after a light frost. Plant it now in August, and it'll be in full swing just as fall settles in. Varieties like Lacinato, also known as dinosaur kale, sow seeds directly or transplant seedlings into fertile, well-drained soil. Kale needs 50-65 days to mature, and you can harvest the outer leaves regularly. It's packed with nutrients, survives the cold, and can even keep producing into winter if protected with row covers or mulch. 6. Beets. Beets are a double win. You get delicious roots and nutritious greens from one plant. August planting gives them time to mature before the ground cools too much. Choose quick varieties like Detroit Dark Red or Bull's Blood, which mature in about 55-70 days. Plant seeds directly, about a ½ inch deep in loose compost-rich soil. Keep them well-watered and thin seedlings to allow room for root development. Beet greens can be harvested early and often, and the roots are perfect for roasting, pickling, or grating into salads. 7. Bush beans. Believe it or not, you still have time to sneak in a crop of bush beans. Look for fast-growing varieties like Contender or Provider that mature in just 50-60 days. Beans love warm soil, so August is ideal for quick germination. Sow seeds directly in rows and keep the soil moist until sprouts emerge. Bush beans don't need support like pole beans, making them easy to manage. You'll get a good harvest in early to mid-fall, and they're nitrogen fixers, meaning they help enrich your soil for future crops too. 8. Mustard greens/turnip greens. These flavorful, spicy greens are underrated but perfect for August planting. They germinate fast, tolerate heat, and thrive in cooling weather. Mustard and turnip greens can be harvested as baby leaves in 20-30 days or allowed to grow bigger over 40-50 days. Sow seeds in rows or scatter in a bed. Keep the soil evenly moist, and you'll have fresh, peppery greens in no time. Bonus, if you plant turnips, you also get edible roots later in the season. These crops are especially great for stir-fries, soups, and adding a kick to salads. Even though August is a great time to plant, there are a few common mistakes that can hurt your fall garden, and they're easy to avoid once you know what to watch for. First, don't wait too long. Many fall crops need 30 to 75 days to mature, so planting in early to mid-August is key. Always check your local first frost date and count backward to give your plants enough time. Second, avoid planting slow growers like tomatoes or peppers they won't have time to finish. Stick with fast, cool, loving crops. Another mistake? Overwatering or underwatering. Hot August days can dry out soil quickly, so stay consistent, but don't drown your seeds. Lastly, don't forget about pests. Just because it's late in the season doesn't mean bugs are gone. Cabbage worms, aphids, and flea beetles can still be active, so keep an eye out and take action early. Avoiding these simple mistakes can make the difference between a weak garden and a thriving fall harvest. So let's quickly run through it. August isn't the end of gardening season in Zone 7. It's your secret opportunity to plant smart. Spinach, lettuce, carrots, radishes, kale, beets, bush beans, and mustard greens all thrive when planted now. With warm soil, cooler nights, and fewer pests, you've got ideal conditions for a fast and fruitful fall harvest. Remember, timing is everything. A little planning this month means fresh, homegrown veggies when the weather cools and everyone else is shutting down their gardens. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just getting started, don't miss this window. Late summer planting is one of the easiest, most rewarding gardening moves you can make. Your garden isn't done, it's just shifting gears. Take advantage of August, and you'll be harvesting in no time. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps more gardeners like you discover our channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss seasonal planting tips tailored for Zone 7. Got questions or want to share what you're planting this August? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And stay tuned. We've got more fall gardening content coming soon, including how to protect your crops as the temperatures drop. Thanks for watching Gardening Story.